All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about how to set up a business Facebook page in Facebook under your business account. So let's jump into it. So I'm here in the Facebook business suite. You want to go to business.facebook.com. And then when you get in, you want to come over to your pages area. To get here to the business suite, you want to just click on the little gear here under settings. And then this should bring you to your Facebook business account. And then once you get there, go to pages. And then you'll see a option for you to be able to add a page. And then you go to add page, and then let's just do create a new Facebook page. From here, you can just choose a name. So we'll just go, you want to choose a name for your business here. Can I spell today? Cool. And then you want to choose a category here under categories. You should have 3 categories here. And then you can choose up to 3. So if you do several things within your agency or your business, you can add them there. Me, for example, I do tech and design websites, and also provide some additional services for building websites. The bio here should be quick and precise, less than 100 characters, no more than 100. I know it says optional, but it should be there. It's really important that you add it in there, just so someone comes to your page, they can quickly see what you have to offer. Here you want to set it up. If you already have, you should already have a main business account. You want to assign that page to it. And just check there, create page. And then we'll give it a second to create. Cool. And then once the page is done, you'll see it there. You'll see it under your pages, under your business suite. The reason you're doing it under your business account is it will be connected to your personal account, but you want to be able to, don't necessarily want to post everything on your personal page. If you want a business page, to be able to post content and separate the two. Another thing too, if you have other people on your team that you want to give access to, you can add them here as well without sharing a login as well to have them. If you have someone on your team, a VS, someone that helps with content, they can be access the page to be able to post and manage access. Well, now that we have the page created, you can just click the little 3 dots here, and then we can go view on Facebook. Okay, cool. Now that we're here, we can view the page. Right now it's blank because we just set it up. We're going to go through a few things that we want to do. Now that we're here viewing, you can click this switch now to manage it. And then here we can come in and make some changes. You can take the tour here. I'm just going to do not now for now. And a few things we want to do is we want to update the profile picture here. You can choose a logo. If you're a personal brand, you can do like an image of yourself as well. The next thing we want to do is go and update all of our contact info under here, the about. If you're a service provider, you want to add your address, the area, how they can contact you via phone or email. Any other links here that you have, if you have a website, if you have any other social accounts you want to network them through. You can also add your services and price range as well as if you're brick and mortar, you can add your hours there too. Of clients or anyone that comes to your site, they can see your account. That is the main thing. If you have any privacy policies and stuff that you want to add, you can add those to the account as well. But that is pretty much probably the only other thing you do is just add a cover photo here as well to your account, and you'll be good to go. It'll be branded, and then you'll be ready. The next thing there is be ready to post on your account as well. If you want to add, probably another feature that I would probably add as well is probably a CTA here. Any type of incentive to get them to take action, whether it's they can book a call. If you're offering any type of service or a lead magnet where you're providing value, you can get their email as well to get them onto your email list if you have one. If you're running a special or something, you can add that here under the CTA. And if you want to add any additional details to your bio, you can do that as well. But for the most part, your page is set up and you're ready to begin posting content. You don't have to post every day, but if you want to post content that provides value and have it go out and be able to share organically on Facebook, you can do that. You can also, since it is a business page, if you need to boost or promote any pages too with paid content, you can promote those from this page as well. Anyway, that's a quick tutorial on how to set up a page and your business account, quick and easy. If you have any questions or want any other additional information about it, just let me know. Drop a comment below if you want to know more information on how to publish content or what type of content to publish on your page. I'll be dropping videos on that. And if you want any more details about how to advertise as well, I'll be doing more videos on that. Thank you and have a great day.